So hey friends, what's up? I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the apps which can blow your mind. So let's get straight into the video. First app in the list is Zenta LED.
Its logo looks like that, and when we click on it, it asks for to click on open, and when we click on it, you can see here this wallpaper really looks pretty cool. So if we have to set it as wallpaper, we have to click here, set it as wallpaper, and it's all done. Now you can see that it will take a little of battery, but still, if you're making someone impress, that's good for that. Yeah, so let's switch on to the next app.
App in the list is Stop It AR app. It is a AR based app. AR's full form is augmented reality. So let's see how it looks like.
Its logo look like that, and when we click on it, it's powered by Unity, and cancel, and here it's asking for the permission, and here I click. You can see the game started. Oh, so sorry for that. I'm not playing this game at all. I'll play again, and yeah. Oh, 4 points, no medals. You can also try this. This look great. Yeah, really great. So let's switch on to the next app.
Next app in the list is Pikai. It's a AI based camera app. AI, it's artificial intelligence. So now let's look upon that.
Its logo look like that. Yeah. Now let's click on it. You can see its camera is open. Oh, at the wall I have so it told about the phone. Now let's lightning. Oh, that's a real AI. And you can see here, for example, let's have a look at it. You can see it has detected. It's detected it. You can again see display device. It has detected. Now let's look at light. It has detected. So it's better, and it also provides you with editing features. So let's switch on to the next app. That's our last app.
The next and last app in our list is Photomap, that can help you in doing calculations of algebra, and you can also use it in cheating of maths. So let's look at the features provided by it.
Its icon look like that. You can see this red icon. When I click on it, it opens, and you can see camera is open. Now let's solve a calculation, and you can see here 2x plus 3x. It has detected it, and it has given 5x. And let's see whether it does for the identities. And here are the identities. Oh yeah. Now you can click on it. You can see. Okay. You can see that. It sometimes does for the identities as well. And you can see this app is very good. If you have any problem in it, if you have any problem in maths, this app can help you.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video, and if you like it, then you can subscribe. And with subscribe. There is a bell icon. You can also press it for my new updates. So thanks for watching.